Hey boy, hey girl, hey, my name is Key. My channel here is Beauty is Key. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just wanted to show y'all how I installed this easy headband wig that I got from Amazon. And I'm just pulling out my edges so I can get ready to style them, because that's really all this headband wig is about, just styling your edges, girl. So I'm going to take some of this Eco Styler gel, the yellow one, and I'm just going to swoop and style this product over my edges. I feel like I just said so much, but y'all know what I mean. I'm just applying the gel with a toothbrush to my edges, and then I'm just going to make these little swoops. And also I take this comb just so I can get the desired style of swoopage that I'm looking for. And I just go back and forth between the comb, the brush, the finger to smooth. You know, you just got to keep on doing this until you get the desired edges that you're looking for, you know. Just watch, just watch. Or you just want to make sure that you go ahead and brush, like blend that hair that you just swooped. You want to blend it in with the rest of your hair. You see that? You know, you just want to blend it. That's what I'm doing. Just blend it. You know, I'm just swooping that hair back just to make sure there's no defined strands just sticking out. You know, you're not going to see the rest of my hair anyway, but I'm still going to go ahead and free spray everything just to make sure this ponytail and my edges are slick. So I'm just gonna wrap them edges up using this little scarf or whatever. Keep that on for a good old minute, tight as it can go. You see that forehead finna squeeze like a melon. My edges, they don't move. I'm telling you, sis. Use that Got To Be spray. Use some 24 edge tamer. I think that's what I use too, but I don't know. Maybe I just use a gel, but regardless, that Got To Be glue free spray will get you together. Okay, this is the star of the show besides me. Okay, this is the second star of the show. This is the catfish. This is how you catfish. All right, this is the headband wig I got from Amazon. As you can see, she comes with this black headband already attached. They also send you some extra headbands that you can style and like put over this headband if you want to look color. It comes with three combs at the top, one comb in the back I'm showing y'all, and the elastic band has Velcro on the sides for you to be able to secure it. And also, this wig is very big, huge ass girl head friendly. Like, girl, this wig is very spacious, okay? But nevertheless, it's still breathable. It's still comfortable. Like, those three combs, you have one in the middle and two on the sides and one in the back. So that gives you that security, that snugginess that you need or whatever. And over time, what I didn't show y'all on camera, but as you can see, one side of the elastic band is a little longer. So I did like go ahead and cut a few inches of that off, just to kind of make that headband be more secure. But nevertheless, this wig is very comfortable to the head. It fits. Girl, look at them edges, okay? I big shopped not too long ago, and the hair is growing back, okay? My length done got even longer since this video then came out. But off camera, I went ahead and sprayed this wig with some conditioner and some water in my little water bottle, and we just gonna pop her on. Quick 5-minute install. Like, once you start getting used to wearing these, 1 minute tops, 1 minute and 30 seconds tops, okay? Especially if you already got your edges styled from the night before, you just take your scarf off, pop this thing on. I'm just gonna go ahead and secure combs on the side. I guess I didn't use the one in the middle, I don't know, but regardless, you can just use the two combs on the side and still get that snug effect. I don't know why I keep saying snug, but y'all know what I'm saying. It's just gonna fit how it's supposed to. Okay, so catfish complete, baby. The last little step we gotta do is just strap this Velcro strap together, like boom, secure it in place, you know. And then I'm gonna let this hair down, baby. And when I let this hair down, you can't tell me nothing, okay? Look at me. That's my hair. This curl pattern matches my pattern. This is my hair. Sashay, sashay. Get those curls moving. You know, you gotta feel the hair out. You gotta, I'm taking the Eco Styler gel that I used earlier to style my edges. And I'm also going to take some Cantu spray. I'm just scrunching and applying the product just to define those curls. I washed this hair before I put it on my head just for sanitary purposes. Nothing alarming came out of the wig. Just wigs, they be having like that new shoe smell, and that's not really my cup of tea. So just make sure you wash your hair before you put it on your head. I'm just gonna go ahead and define these little curly string bang things, and we're gonna wrap this look up, okay? Because this install was effortless. It took no time. It took nothing. This is my hair now. You can't tell me anything. I'm a catfish. So what? You won't smoke with me, okay? This is my hair. Y'all thought it wasn't? It is though. So girl, go get you some hair from Amazon right now. Very versatile. You can do updos. Here I'm just trying to do a pineapple updo, and it really wasn't going my way because my scarf was giving edge wrap, not head wrap, so it was not finna. I don't know what I was thinking, but you just gotta try stuff. You can do half up, half down. You can do space buns. You can do whatever. It's your hair, sis. Go get you an Amazon headband wig. They're affordable. I love this unit, this wig. It lasts me up to like 6 months with the proper hair care. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.
30 hertz straight up. Don't you leave me here for dead. Baby, I've been niggas I love, they hate the fact that I'm getting rich. Now you're getting real close, baby. I ain't